analysis and math. In Dewesoft there are a lot of very useful functions to do powerful analysis and mathematics inside the combustion analyzer. The first is injection and ignition detection. With adding just an analog signal of an injection or an ignition signal, we can define how many injections or ignitions we have, what are the trigger levels, and Dewesoft will automatically output what is the start and what is the end of ignition or injection angle. We also have a possibility to add additional channels to combustion analyzer, and this will convert the signals which we have acquired in the time domain to angle domain. These don't need necessarily to be only analog signals. This can also be output from other modules. For example, from torsional vibration, outputs can be added to combustion analyzer to view the results in the angle domain of the engine. We also have completely automatic top dead center detection, and this will account for the angle sensor offset that we have. So with this we'll have accurate angle sensor offset automatically detected in Dewesoft. We also have options for pressure sensor 0-point correction. So this is for pegging correction. We have different options: thermodynamic zero, or correction from non-zero value, or from measured zero value, or even without any correction if we are using a sensor with an inline amplifier and correction already made. We have powerful outputs in Dewesoft, so we have outputs for rate of heat release, accumulated heat release, and all intermediate points of mass of fuel that is being burned. We have also knock detection inside Dewesoft, which is done with using the pressure signal. So we do high-pass filtering on the signal, and with filters we can actually detect if we have knocking inside the engine or not. With all of these outputs that we have in the combustion analyzer, we can have different types of outputs. So we can have all the current outputs. We can also have engine averaged outputs or cylinder averaged outputs if we have a multi-cylinder engine. And we also have mathematics for calculating what is the combustion noise of the engine. So what would be the direct output of the noise from the combustion inside the engine. And with all of these outputs, you are not limited to combining these results together. So in mathematics, it's possible to do a lot of different combinations with formulas with these results to getting the absolute maximum pressure of the test run, getting the cycle number, or do some even much more complicated mathematics with the results that you get from the combustion analyzer.